Hello guys, so in this quick video I want to show something quite interesting. So you see I have created a button here, and when I go to this tab the buttons disappear, and that's exactly what should happen. And this is handled in the code, and if you don't handle it, these buttons are just going to stay all over the place. Okay, so for example, if I enable another strategy with the same set of buttons, so it's the same strategy, so they don't get mixed up on different tabs. You have to handle this. Okay, so this is a different tab. You see there, although they all share the same toolbar, the buttons get removed. Okay, so when I click on this tab, they get added back in, and when I click on this tab, these particular buttons for this particular strategy get added back in. Okay, so and the trick to do this actually is like this. So inside my onState change method, right, is where I create the buttons. Okay, so and that's done right here. Okay, and I create them here. I do not insert them here. And when I terminate the strategy, I dispose them and remove them. Okay, like this, remove. Okay, right here. Now the trick is basically when you create them. So let's start from here on state change. So when you create them right here, your WPF controls, okay, you do all the stuff you need to do, right? And then you actually have to check whether the tab is selected, and this is how you do it. Okay, so you have to figure out whether the particular tab belongs to this particular chart window. Okay, and if it is selected, then you insert your WPF controls. Okay, but if it's not selected, okay, you don't, and you have to subscribe to the tab changed handler event. Okay, tab changed event, sorry. And when tabs change, right, you actually have to insert the WPF controls or remove the WPF controls. Okay, that's the trick, guys.